Hey guys, this is Kiara from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to continue on our easiest way to make money on Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. I believe this is day 15, so we're going to go and get into it. All right. So, as you know, we're going to have links in the description to sign in to my lead gen secrets. The more accounts you have, the better your results will be. 100%. And you can get sales very early. But most people tend to start having sales around day 22-ish in the system. Get sales then. And it kind of elevates from there depending on how many leads they get. And what you do, it's a numbers game. The more leads you have, the more money you make. So, what you want to do first is go to, log in to my lead gen secrets. Do all the stuff with your accounts. I just said this. I'm sorry. All right, then we're gonna go to Clickbank. There's a link in the description to sign in to Clickbank. Very easy to sign into. It's free, easy, quick. They don't have no gate or anything like that. It's very easy to sign in. So sign in to Clickbank. Then you want to click on Marketplace. Go to the Marketplace here, and then you want to click on e-business and e-marketing, because the people that sign into my lead gen secret are interested in making money online. That's what they ask them. Do you want making money online offers? Something similar to that. I don't know exactly what they say, but it's something similar to that when they become a lead of my lead gen secret. All right. You can get sales with other products. 100%. You can definitely get sales with other products. People have said they can do it. I kind of want to do a test on it now I think about it. Maybe I do one after this series here is over. I think I'm gonna stop it around. I might stop it around day 30. I don't know how long it'll go. It depends. But we're kind of learning a little bit more here. So let's go ahead and click on e-business, e-marketing here. Right now, the product we have been promoting is this paid online writing jobs. I'm gonna be honest, this product is not performing anywhere near as good as get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This product here. So at this point in time, what I would do when I'm not seeing the results I want, I would go to a product that has been showing me good results, and then I go back to it. Usually it's a good idea to, if you find something that works, stick to it, replicate it over and over again. Always think of that. Don't try to invent a new wheel or something. So the smartest thing for me to do would be to go back to this product, because I gotten multiple sales with it. I don't know, man. I'm gonna be honest, I thought this would do better because I have gotten sales with this product before, but it's just not performing right now. So we're gonna go back to what we know. I got in sales with this product as well. There we go. Okay. I got in sales with writerelse.com as well. But since I know for a fact that this is working, I'm gonna go back to it. All right, so let's go ahead and click on this here, the affiliate page. We find here, we come back here, right? Email swipes. Click on the email swipes. Go on the first one here. A YouTuber wants to hire you for. Let's just say a YouTuber wants to hire you for $9.50 a week. Always pick like a number. I noticed this as well. When you pick like a number and their name, they're more likely to click on it and see what you're talking about. Something I noticed, and I want to show you proof of this. This is the email we sent yesterday. As you can see, it's 2,085. Now this is the email we sent the day before, right here. Doesn't have, and you see it has first name fits, and it has how much money you're gonna get paid. But this one here, be paid for honey and spirit arrows. Oh, and you see the performance is low, really low, right? And then you go back to this one, your first paid gig, $200 a day, first name fits, performance are open, very high. As you can see, 100% it works to change that stuff like that. So we'll copy this and then we'll put $9.50 a week on it somewhere. So what we do, go to mailing system here, on this here, down here, out here we go right here. So we'll pick like a YouTuber wants to hire you, then first name fits. First name fits right here. Copy, hit that here. That's a good one. That's what I do right there. So we delete this here, like that. Man, I messed up. I sent the email already. Okay, but it's the same thing. You go back and you get the email here. Sorry about that. I had messed up. I had already sent the email. I just realized that. But anyway, let's just keep it going here. But this is what I do here. We'll put signature. We'll put our name here. The simpler your name, the better. Easier to trust. Okay, so we see high name here. Gonna pick first name fits, and basically just copy what we did on day one. And I think I would stick to this product since it's proven to get sales. Like, when you find something that proven to work, kind of stick with it. Now, you can test other products and you might get better sales. Don't get me wrong, but if you're kind of hesitant about it, you feel better promoting a product that does get sales for sure. And you replace country with your area. So that's a cool rule to learn there, is to not worry too much if something's not working for you, like sales there. Like that, this time, that product that I was promoting last 3 or 4 days, last time I did it, it got sales. This time I did it, it just ain't working. So it's just chance and numbers game, and you gotta have a good product that people are interested in promoting, joining. Like, this product is interesting, people want to join this, so you stick to it. I'm interested in this. Like, that's another thing too. If you're interested in the product, chances are other people are interested in the product as well. So if you see something you're like, this seems kind of interesting, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, I'm interested in that. So yeah, really consider how you feel about a product, what you want to promote here. And I forgot I came here for. Let's get the lead here. GS1, that, bang, bang, boom, bang. And there you go. Hold this. There you go. So it's very simple. You can copy the same product. You can kind of rewind on the same product. Just because you run out of, that's what I'm trying to show now. Just because you run out of emails don't mean you can't go back to the same product to the top of the email list. Some people even email the same email twice a day, like twice, bite to bite, just to get more days out of it. And they still perform really well. That's another trick you can do. So if you feel like you're confident with just one product because it got you sales, right? Is what I'm trying to clarify here. You're confident in one product, it's gotten you sales. You're trying other products, it's not working. It's okay to go back to that product. You don't have to worry about like a time thing or be like, okay, I ran out of emails on this product, I can't ever send emails again. No, you can send the same emails. Bite to bite. You can do that, and you can get sales off of that as well. Sometimes people don't check, sometimes people don't look at it, then they look at it the next time. So it's just based on numbers. You have a lot of numbers, you can do it again. Something sells. You stick with it. That's a good idea too. Like I seen, like what just happened with me with this other product, it did not work, but this product does. So I'm sticking to this product with this account. To be fair, I'm only using one account to promote these products. So if you're only using one account to promote these products, there's less likely chance you get a sale. Okay. And before when I was using that product, I was using multiple accounts to do it. But now I'm trying to do like a series. I kind of want to stick with one account and see what I can do with one account. So that's basically a check test on me. That product did not sell for me, but this one does. All right. So that's why I'm going back to it. And make sure the daisy chain, if you get more than 5 accounts, so right, make sure you daisy chain the accounts. So basically you get this link here, you sign in again, you make you another account, so you can be an affiliate for yourself. Make sure to do that. You know, that's one thing you want to make sure to do.
That means,
and you can make your money back. You can make your money up again. And you can kind of stay on that same train and make your money back to back, right? While you saving, well, stick and make your money back to back, right? So you can save your income a little bit, save a little money on what you're spending, so to speak. So to maintain 5 accounts, you need $150 a month. But if you sign in under each other, you save, you're an affiliate for yourself, so you save some money. See what I'm saying? Because you get paid for your payment, you know, or opening the account. So it's very nice what to do here. So if you don't have a My Lead Gen Secrets account right now and you're interested in opening 5 accounts, use the link in the description, become an affiliate with me, and log in to My Lead Gen Secrets. Then when you want to make multiple accounts, become an affiliate for yourself so you can get your own payment for those accounts. Now you can make 5 accounts and be an affiliate under me if you want to. I will make more money, but I'm trying to help you save money. So you need to become an affiliate for yourself with your next account and your next account and your next account. Recommended is 5, at least 2. Some people go as high as 7. People who start with 7 accounts already, pretty much make their money back before the end of the month. I only seen one person do that, but I only seen one person with 7 accounts. So I noticed that and I was like, wow, that's I personally ain't never went over 7 or 5, but yeah, there's some people that do that. I do got a new account now that I'm using for a new series, but other than that, I don't have any accounts. Also, there's a product that works better with My Lead Gen Secrets called Savings Highway Global. Savings Highway Global, you can start your income and build up on it. So a sale from Savings Highway Global is worth a lot more than a sale on Clickbank, because a sale on Clickbank, you make that money, that's it, we done. But a sale on Savings Highway Global, you make that money and you continuously make that money for the rest of your life, as long as they signed in the program. So there's a link to that as well. It works better than Clickbank. You mail for that. All right. So that's all of that. Continue with this product. Continue on, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all of the things, press the buttons, whatever to keep this channel going. I'm shocked by this channel performance, to be honest. I don't get many views, but I've gotten sales off of this channel already, which is crazy to me. So I'm gonna continue going, guys. I want you guys to join in. Do what I do as well. Completely copy paste what I'm doing right now. You don't even need to show your face. As you can see, I'm not doing it. I'm not showing my face. Copy paste what I'm doing. Make you some sales, man. We're trying to get out of this job mentality. We don't need it anymore. All right, guys. Peace.